Hi guys, welcome to Techduo channel. Today we're gonna unbox a Redmi Note 10 Pro. It is a onyx grey color phone with a 6GB RAM and a 64GB ROM. And now let's unbox it. Now let's open this and see what's there inside this. So we have a SIM ejector, we got a warranty card, and also we got a user guide for the phone. We got a plastic cover for the phone. Now let's take a look at the charger. We got a 33-volt fast charger, and this is the adapter. Now let's take the cable. Because it's a fast charging charger, we got a C-type cable. So now we have the phone. Let's take a look at it. We get it with a 108 megapixel quad camera, and it also has a 120Hz refreshing rate AMOLED display, and it has a Snapdragon 732G processor, and also we get it with 33-volt charger, and also we get a 5020 mAh battery. And now let's switch on the phone. This is only the unboxing video, so I am not going to say you about the phone. If you want to know, stay tuned. I will be uploading the review video soon. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.